I thought, and I'm pretty sure other people think the same way as well. On our viewers there, I thought the only way to, or two ways to buy a house or maybe a property, it would be through cash or through banking. And you appear to have information about other institutions that can actually help you to buy a house. Please educate us on that.
So not all of us have the privilege of having cash to buy property. Actually, I do not advocate for buying property for cash.
Why?
It's like you're leaving a lot of money on the table when you're buying property cash. So instead of using your cash, use the bank's cash.
Other people's money.
Oh, I see what
Use-
you mean. I
yeah,
see what you
people's
mean.
Use
money
the
Yeah.
bank's
concept.
money. Don't use your money.
Oh, I
Save your
see.
money. The bank is
Or
there.
do other things with it.
Yeah, the
I
bank
see.
is there to give you money. So
All assets, actually. Now, for all assets, anything
don't
that's
use your money.
generating money for you, don't use your
Don't
money.
use your own money. Use
Yeah,
other
I
people's
think
money.
I think we can have a pushback there. Nah,
Okay.
I'm for cash. I'm cash guy.
You're a cash guy, ne?
Do it cash.
Yeah.
I think there's a training that comes with accumulating. There's a training like the
Mindset.
psychological money mindset, or psychologically, you get trained on maybe if you want to buy something cash,
Yes.
for you to get there. Like you train yourself how to manage your cash flow and all that.
Yes,
But I
yes.
think that's the pushback that I have, that it trains you, because sometimes I think if you get a bigger debt or maybe loan and you have no idea of how to manage the money that play around that level, you're gonna lose them all.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
I don't know. You know that line by Casper Nyovest. They tried to buy what I bought, and they ended up selling it. I think those who end up selling it most of the time is people who have no idea that with more money comes,
Yeah, it's all about discipline for both of them, actually. Using other
Let's have a
people's
conversation
money.
around that, actually.
Okay.
Since you
Okay.
the